Thank you, Peter, for sending us this package.
Okay, first thing we have here is the Freddo and Carmelio Koala. Okay, cool.
The
You want to open this up?
Yeah. I bet the koalas are gonna be carnivore. Team logic. I think.
Open it up. Let's show them. I'm pretty sure. Oh, dolphin! Just saw a dolphin. 2 of them.
Oh!
Cool. Liam got the frog. I got the koala. Let's eat this.
I need You're the froggy.
I'm alright. Let's just do one at a time. Then.
Whoa.
Good.
Oh, caramel.
Caramel on the inside for me. Let's see if it's the same.
Mine is probably gonna be all chocolate. Yep. All chocolate.
That's cool. Let's set this aside for later because we gotta get through this. Alright, one down. Next thing up is the twisty cheese. That looks pretty fun.
Not fun, delicious.
Oh yeah. This is crazy. Look at that. Looks like a Cheeto thing.
I love this.
Yeah, these are pretty good. Alright.
What do they taste like?
Sort of like Cheetos, but a little bit different in the cheese, I think.
It's like all cheese.
Alright.
Okay.
Tim Tam. Chocolate sort of thing. Let's try this out. I got it. Maybe. Oh, this looks good. You see that?
Oh, I need a drink.
Super good.
I'm seeing one of those from my time in Australia. I know these are good.
I want to go to Australia.
This is the best one so far.
I cannot decide which one's the best. Actually, in different states, I think I know which one would be better. Road trip, snack, and that one is a
Nice Australian back.
sleepover or play date thing.
We have the original Tim Tam. Super good stuff. We'll open that just a sec. Oh, there's something hard in here. Oh snap! Vegemite.
You want to try it?
B vitamins.
Here, I'll make you a Vegemite sandwich.
No,
No?
we both get half.
Oh, you want half? Okay, I'll make the sandwich for you too. Oh, try the Anzac biscuits.
And the last thing in this good Australian package is, how do you pronounce this?
Anzac.
Anzac biscuit.
Oh, guys, look. It looks like chocolate, doesn't it? Look. See? It looks like chocolate. Should be good.
You're probably playing us. What does it taste like?
I have no idea.
It's Vegemite.
It's Vegemite.
You've had this before.
I've seen ads for it, I feel like.
Yeah, you've seen that for it before. Yeah, I'll make you a sandwich.
Probably a prank. Alright, let's see these cookies. Smell super good.
What do they smell like? Plain?
They smell like the Delta cookies, sort of.
Oh, yeah.
Smell it first.
Oh, they
Looks
do.
good. Let's try this. Dolphin! Oh my gosh, it's sitting there. I think it's dead.
What?
It was just sitting there.
I know, there's a dolphin right there, but I'll take an Anzac cookie just to test.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
What does it taste like?
Almost like a Delta cookie.
What? This was a lot of little
Yeah, it's coconut or
almond.
something.
I think that's coconut.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Good.
love the almond.
Cool. Anything else in there?
No, but let's put it all together.
You have to do these. That one's the dark.
Yeah, hold on, hold
This
on.
is the.
Loads of good
Wait,
stuff.
where's the basket for that? Like Vegemite and jam.
Vegemite sandwich. Big old Vegemite sandwich is waiting for you guys. Sit
We
down.
put a lot of stuff in that.
Oh, look, it's like chocolate.
It's just peanut butter
It's like
and
Nutella.
Vegemite.
You put it on stuff just like you do Nutella.
All right.
Guess this.
3, 2, 1.
You guys gotta try it.
I tried it.
No, you gotta take a bite. You gotta
No,
bite.
no, I can't.
It's the most Australian food ever.
I don't know how I.
Oh! It's stuck. I can't swallow.
Liam, take a big bite. No, you gotta take a bite. No, you gotta take a big bite. You bit the bread.
Oh!
Oh, I can even taste the Vegemite in
It
the
was
bread.
stuck. Oh! I'm about to throw up. Why did you do that to us? It's probably old.
Oh, it's not old. That's just what Vegemite tastes like.
Who would eat that?
They do not live.
So what did you think about Vegemite?
It was terrible.
Liam, what did you think about Vegemite?
Worst thing ever.
Okay. What about the other stuff? How were the Tim Tams? Good.
Good.
How are those Anzac cookies?
All
Number
them
one,
the best thing ever.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Tim Tam original and dark. Twisty cheese.
And then these two are tried for me.
Oh wait. Oh. Caleb. There's not just that. There's white. Where's the white?
This is the last.
So how would you
That's
describe
not
it?
even
Used for.
It's used to feed people. What is your guys' opinion of Vegemite?
It's. Oh, I know what it smells like now. In Connecticut, I do this sailing camp, and it used to be a whaling boat, and it smells terrible. And this is exactly what the bottom of the boat smells like.
What? Are you serious?
A big whaling boat. It smells just like this. If this was a pile, if that boat was a pile of grease.
It smells okay, but it
No,
tastes
it
like
It smells nasty. Yeah.
I can't withstand the smell. It's better than that baking bread you have, Dad.